you may be losing up to 60% of your customers on your website without even knowing it. So if your website's a little bit underperforming and you think, I've got a great looking website, it's all optimized, it loads fast, but you're still not getting the results that you think you should be, then there can be a whole bunch of reasons, but one of the main ones that you can check, which is super simple and very easily remedied, is to have a look at your website on one of these. Yes, that is a phone, and it's so important that you check your website yourself as a business owner on a mobile phone, because the analytics across the website are now telling us that up to 60%, sometimes 75, 80% of a website's traffic is now coming from people using mobile phones. A lot of the builders will have a responsive design option, which is like an inbuilt mobile emulator where you can have a look at what it looks like on mobile. Now, while this is all good, and most of the times it will work pretty well, there's no replacing actually physically getting on your own phone and checking your website out and just scroll through it, because what you might find is something that looks good on desktop and that you thought you'd optimized for on mobile doesn't actually look good when you get it on a actual mobile device. So I've seen things as bad as buttons disappearing off the edge of the page, you not being able to scroll down all the way to the bottom to get to the shop now button or the call now button. If you're used to looking at the website on your desktop, may work on your desktop, may not be working on your phone. So if you haven't checked your website, I would strongly recommend the first thing you do after watching this video, you go get your phone and browse your own website, click on every button, because this is where the majority of people are looking at your website. So if you've liked this video and it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.